Welcome back to the car features, where we bring you the latest, hottest cars on the road. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota GR86. The updated sports coupe that proves you don't need a massive engine or sky-high price. Tagged to have a blast behind the wheel. Toyota has taken everything drivers loved about the previous GR86, its lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive layout, and raw driving feel, and dialed it in with subtle yet meaningful changes. Visually, it stays true to its low-slung, aggressive coupe silhouette, but look closer and you'll spot sharper LED lighting, a revised front bumper for improved aerodynamics, and new wheel options that give the GR86 a more modern and mature look. Under the hood, the 2025 GR86 still packs the same 2.4-liter flat-4 engine co-developed with Subaru, pushing out 228 horsepower and 184 pounds-ft of torque. But Toyota's engineers have fine-tuned the throttle response and slightly adjusted the gearing to give it quicker acceleration and a more engaging power band. Whether you go for the 6-speed manual or the automatic with paddle shifters, this car is still built for purists. One of the biggest talking points for 2025 is the rumored GR86 Performance Pack, which adds stiffer suspension tuning, larger Brembo brakes, and lightweight wheels, all aimed at making track days even more thrilling. If you're someone who lives for backroad driving, this could be the version that turns the GR86 into a true enthusiast's dream. Toyota has also added more standard safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, making the GR86 a bit more daily drivable without sacrificing its sporty soul. And for those who like to document their drives, the new onboard data logger lets you analyze your performance straight from your phone. What makes the 2025 GR86 stand out is how it manages to stay true to its roots. It's not chasing massive horsepower or going electric just yet. It's a lightweight, balanced sports car made for people who love driving. In a world of ever-growing SUVs and EVs, the GR86 is a refreshing throwback that feels analog in the best way. If you're looking for something raw, affordable, and ridiculously fun, the new GR86 deserves a spot on your radar. Let us know in the comments if you take this over a Miata or maybe even a used Supra. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a feature. Thanks for watching the car features. See you in the next video.